Persis solo! Same idea, go back, control here. Go back, up, control here. Sebulo, open well your hamstring. Control, jumping a bit. I think that today the players showed that they did something in the break. They were not totally resting, but today is the first session. So yes, start with the team, have a good mood, put all the players on the field just to start training again. So I think the feeling is okay with them. Quality on the pass, guys. I think the players are nowadays so okay. It's true that we come from a break, 4 days break, so they need to come back again, step by step. But we have enough days now to recover before we play against Malut. So we are going to put all the focus on that game. So the players just need to control our trainings and go ahead to really arrive to the match in a proper condition. Okay, minimum everybody, guys. Good warm up.
Yes.
So I leave it to Rian before we finish.
Satu,